In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a calendar from New Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to open Outlook, you want to go to the top right and click on the settings cogwheel, and then from here you want to go to calendars on your left. Here you want to click on shared calendars, you want to go down to where it says publish a calendar, and to be able to do this you will gonna have to publish it, okay? So click on select calendar and select the one you want to publish, then select the permissions, it can be anything. I'm gonna do can view all details and click on publish. Now when you do this, go to the bottom and here it says ICS. You can simply click on this link and then hit the download button, and just like this it's going to download it onto your computer, okay? So it's saved into my downloads folder just like this. I can now click on unpublish and there we go. I've successfully exported and saved the calendar from New Outlook. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.